Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant and today I have made a project which is aspect ratio calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So basically whenever we enter the width and the height of the of or whatever we want, it will give you the ratio of that particular width and height, and it will change is according to the input of width and height. So I have made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I'll explain everything, and this is the output, final output. This is the title, aspect ratio calculator by Prashant with live preview. So firstly I'll dwell into the coding part, then I'll show you how it is run. Yes, so this is the HTML file. So this HTML file comprises the input field for width and height. You can see here, this is the input field for yes, this is input field for width, and this is for height, which allow users to define the desired dimensions. Additionally, it includes a drop-down menu offering commonly used aspect ratio. You can see here, commonly used aspect ratio. Yeah, these are the ratios: 16 is to 9 and 5 is to 4, 4 is to 3, and so on. And designated area to display the result. So commonly used aspect ratio as well as the designated area to display the result. Yeah, this is the thing where you will get the result. Talking about the CSS, so yes, here the CSS style the enhances the visual appealing of the calculator, providing it with a clean and a responsive design adorned by a subtle color scheme. The centered container adds to a aesthetic charm. You can see here this centered container give you a quite aesthetic charm, while the inputs are styling contributes to seamless user experience. You can see here, and additionally user can enjoy visually capturing image preview features also. So here is the image, and yes, these are all the styling part. And now talking about the JavaScript. So yes, JavaScript takes care of handling input changes, performing calculations for different aspect ratios, be it diagonal. First one is diagonal, then h1 dot format and wh dot format. So yes, firstly I'll go to this. This is the diagonal one. I already mentioned, just mentioned diagonal one. Then h1 dot format and then wh1 format. So yes, this is the diagonal and h1 and wh format. So it would perform calculation for this different aspect ratio, be it diagonal, be it h1 format, be it wh format, and it dynamically updating the image preview, which I'll show you after explaining this coding part. And to enhance user friendliness, the set common ratio, you can see here, the set common ratio function automatically fills in input with frequently used aspect ratio. This is the frequently used aspect ratio. These are all the frequently used aspect ratio. Okay, now I'm going to run this program. Yes. So you can see here, this is the from the title aspect ratio calculator by Prashant with live review. I'm entering the width. For example, I'm entering the width as 1600, and height would be let's say 900, and I'll calculate it. So it is giving me aspect ratio of 1 is to 7.8 is to 1 in the h1 format, and in the width height format it is 16 is to 1, 16 is to 9. It is normally the web series are made in this width and height. And if I were to talk about the movie, I think it is made in 221 is to 2100 is to 21 is to 9 ratio. A movie is often made 21 or sometimes even 24 is to 9 also. So it is automatically giving you the output, the aspect ratio in H1 format as well as in the WH format, and not to forget this diagonal one. And it is showing the commonly used aspect ratio. You can select like that's iPhone 6. So iPhone 6 is it is 133.4. It is so you can write here to get the idea of 1334. Okay, 1234 and 1334 and 750. So you will get to you will have idea of that. Yes, and this is the output. This is the image of myself in I think one of the mall in Hyderabad. And yes, my basic aspect ratio, which is this is my kind of thing. I think it is this. It is quite compressed one, but this is the desired one according to me. Yes, this is the desired one, and according to me, 16 is to 9. According to this photo. So yes, this is the final output, and this is the ultimate usage of this project, which I made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day. Bye.